a single ship is equipped with thousands of machines and equipment. Engineers regularly inspect and maintain this equipment to ensure safe navigation. Symsco supplies a wide range of equipment and components used in all areas of a ship, including the hull, engine room, wheelhouse, and deck. Shipbuilding equipment supply is more than just logistics. It's a complex industry with thousands of part numbers, rapidly changing repair schedules, and varying standards and inspection criteria. Therefore, ensuring the right parts are supplied at the right time and with the right specifications is paramount. So, how does Symsco supply the parts needed for ships? Symsco partners with various manufacturers worldwide, from heavy engine parts to small consumables, to provide genuine parts at competitive prices and on time. Based on the vast amount of big data accumulated over 40 years in the shipbuilding and shipping industries, we predict future demand and manage inventory at the appropriate level. We also maximize the efficiency of our warehouse location. Symsco's system allows for immediate inventory status confirmation by item, project, and lot, optimizing unit costs and logistics resource efficiency. Symsco conducts rigorous quality inspections throughout the entire process, from receiving storage to shipping, to ensure high-quality service. All products are shipped in optimal packaging for safe transportation. General parts are individually packaged, while heavy products are packaged in sturdy wooden packaging. These packaged products are delivered precisely to customers at the desired time and location through a global logistics network established around the world. Symsco provides an end-to-end visibility solution optimized for the shipbuilding equipment supply industry. Every step is tracked and managed in real time, from order receipt and manufacturer procurement status to item inspection, packaging, release, transportation, and delivery. This prevents errors such as admissions, delays, and misdelivery, ensuring accurate delivery times and cost savings. Furthermore, Symsco provides customers with project progress information, establishing a reliable and stable supply system. Symsco continues to provide accurate and reliable shipbuilding equipment supply services to ensure the safe operation of vessels worldwide.